Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open up a Deutsche Bank checking account online. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know so you can get it set up without any surprises. So first off, Deutsche Bank offers a few different checking account options, depending on whether you're looking for basic everyday banking, interest earning accounts, or accounts with extra perks. So before you start, simply take a moment to check which account best fits your needs. It's gonna save some headaches later on. So to get started, simply head over to the official Deutsche Bank website. So that's deutschebank.com. Then simply find the checking accounts section. So from there, you can then review the account types and select the one you want to open. So once you've picked an account, you will then be able to see the Apply Online button. So simply click that, and you then need to fill out some personal information like your full name, date of birth, current address, contact info, and some employment or income details. So make sure all your information is accurate because the bank uses it to verify your identity and assess eligibility. Then next, you might also be asked to upload identification documents. So this can be your passport, driver's license, or government issued ID. So don't worry, the online system is pretty secure and uploading is usually quick. So after submitting your application, Deutsche Bank will then review your information, and sometimes the approval is kind of instant, but in some cases it may take a day or two if they need to verify your details. And once your account is active, I strongly recommend logging into your online banking or Deutsche Bank app. You can set up direct deposits, pay bills, bill payments, and track your spending right away. And don't forget, always keep an eye on fees, minimum balances, and account requirements to avoid unnecessary charges. So that's basically it. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.